Stewie, my motorcycle keeps making these loud popping sounds. Is it going to explode and kill me?
Those are backfires, you buffoon. And no, you're not dying. Your engine is just having a fuel tantrum.
A fuel tantrum? What does that even mean?
When fuel ignites outside the combustion chamber instead of inside it, unburned fuel shoots into your hot exhaust pipe and boom, like lighting a fart but with gasoline.
So my bike is basically farting fire? That's awesome. Why does this happen, though?
Usually because your air-fuel mixture is wrong. Too much fuel, not enough air. Or your spark plugs are misfiring and leaving fuel unburned.
Wait, so if I mess with the fuel mixture, I can make bigger backfires? Like a flamethrower?
Peter, no. Running too rich will damage your engine and waste gas. Plus, your neighbors already hate you enough.
But some bikes backfire on purpose, right? I've seen those cool ones that shoot flames.
Those have anti-lag systems or flame kits. They deliberately inject extra fuel during deceleration. It's like giving your exhaust pipe anger management issues.
So backfires are either broken engines or awesome flame shows.
Pretty much. Follow for more motorcycle wisdom before you turn your Harley into a backyard barbecue.